subscribe to ARZONE channel and also click into the bell icon for more updates and for more videos.
Alright guys, how are you? I hope you are fine, and today is the Tech News number 12. In this Tech News we had collected some newses for you. So hey guys, I am Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. Subscribe this channel and also hit the notification icon so that you can find these kinds of Tech News at first. So let's begin. Okay guys, our first news is Google's own phone Google Pixel 6 Pro. It has launched in 19 October 2021. Its body dimension is 163.9 into 75.9 into 8.9 mm. Its weight is 210 gram. Its display type is LTPO AMOLED display. Its display size is 6.71 inches. Its display resolution is 1440 into 3120 pixels. Its processor is Google Tensor. Its internal storage is 128 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB. Its RAM is 12 GB. Its front camera is 11.1 megapixel. Its back camera is 50 megapixel. Its battery capacity is 5003 milliampere. Its charging is 30 watts fast charging. Its colors are cloudy white, sorta sunny, stormy black. So our second news is about Samsung Galaxy A12. Its launching date is 24 November 2020. Its body dimension is 164 into 75.8 into 8.9 mm. Its weight is 205 gram. Its display type is PLS IPS display. Its display size is 6.5 inches. Its resolution is 720 into 1600 pixels. Its processor is MediaTek MT 6765 Helio P35. Its internal storage is 32 GB, 64 GB and 128 GB. Its RAM is 3 GB, 6 GB and 4 GB. Its front camera is 8 megapixel. Its back camera is 48 megapixel. Its battery capacity is 5000 milliampere. Its charging is 15 watts fast charging. Its colors are black, white, blue and red. So how is the Samsung Galaxy A12? Tell me in the comments and subscribe this channel and also hit the notification icon. So now we will go to our third news. Our third news is about iPad mini 6. So its body dimension is 195.4 into 134.8 into 6.3 mm. Its weight is 293 gram. Its display type is liquid retina IPS LCD. Its display size is 8.3 inches. Its display resolution is 1488 into 2266 pixels, and its processor is Apple A15 Bionic. Its memory internal storage is 64 GB and 256 GB. Its RAM is 4 GB and its front camera is 12 megapixel. Its back camera is 12 megapixel. Its battery type is Li-ion non-removable, and its talk time is up to 10 hours. Its colors are space gray, pink, purple and starlight. So that is the specification of Apple iPad mini 6. So we will now go to our fourth news. So guys, our fourth news is about Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Its launching date is 2nd September 2020 and its body dimension is 247.6 into 157.4 into 7 mm, and its weight is 476 gram, and its display type is TFT, and its display size is 10.4 inches, and resolution is 1200 into 2000 pixels, and processor is Qualcomm SM6115 Snapdragon 662. Its internal storage is 32 GB and 64 GB. Its RAM is 3 GB and 4 GB, and its front camera is 5 megapixel, its back camera is 8 megapixel, and now we will go to its battery type. Its battery type is 5040 milliampere. Its charging is 15 watts fast charging. Its colors are dark gray and silver and gold. So that is the specification of Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. So how is the tab? Tell me in the comments and share this video after seeing the whole video. Okay guys, our fifth and last news is about Samsung Galaxy A22. Its launching date is 3 June 2021, and body dimension is 159.3 into 73.6 into 8.4 mm, and its weight is 186 gram, and display type is Super AMOLED display. Its display size is 6.4 inches, and resolution is 720 into 1600 pixels, and its processor is MediaTek Helio Z80, and its internal storage is 64 GB, 128 GB, and RAM is 4 GB and 6 GB, and its front camera is 13 megapixel, its back camera is 48 megapixel, and its battery capacity is 5000 milliampere. Its charging is 15 watts fast charging. Its colors are black, white, and mint and violet. So that is the video, that is the tech news of our channel. So how is the tech news? Tell me in the comments also. So subscribe this channel and hit the notification icon so that you can find these kinds of tech news at first. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe.
من كان قويا وأمينا لا ينفر للنجدة إلا من كان قويا وأمينا. يا أهل الخير أياديكم مدت بالعون أياديكم.